The partnership between HCLTech and Intel spans more than 3 decades and continues to play a role in accelerating enterprise innovation. Over the years, the collaboration has evolved from traditional infrastructure services to joint innovation across AI, cloud, edge computing, and semiconductor engineering.
I think over the last 2 years, many companies started POCs, pilots on generative AI, things like code, chatbots, code assistance, document analysis. Challenge now is deploying these pilots into production to look at systems that are delivering business value.
Together, we are not just building technology, we are co-engineering solutions that solve real enterprise challenges. The partnership is built on deep engineering collaboration and shared commitment to customer outcomes.
From conversations which we are having with customers across industries like banking, manufacturing, healthcare, 3 key priorities are emerging. First, organizations want to look at a platform-based approach. Second is data readiness. Third is the responsible AI adoption. Enterprises want AI systems that are explainable, secure, and also have right controls and meeting the right regulations at the organization.
At HCLTech, we have developed solutions and processes like Trust Data Shield in collaboration with Intel. I think the importance to this particular area is to ensure that we have processes and technologies working together.
We help clients move from AI pilots to production deployments through platforms like AI Force, AI Factory, which is private cloud AI framework. This integrates infrastructure, model lifecycle management, and governance, helping organizations scale AI responsibly, efficiently across the enterprise and deliver better business value for the customers.
The real winner here is the customer, because cost and security are the 2 biggest hurdles in AI implementation today. Through this lab and the efforts that we are making in AI Factory, we are proving that highly performance AI infrastructure doesn't necessarily require to be an impossibly expensive infrastructure or a hard to source infrastructure component.
By combining HCLTech's engineering expertise with Intel's cutting-edge AI portfolio, including the Xeon 6 accelerators, we are not only delivering performance, but we are scaling the enterprise AI solution to be cost-effective and available.
Ultimately, this collaboration is about democratizing enterprise AI, and we are making it affordable.
Our focus is on enabling AI that is scalable, cost-effective, and production-ready. The AI Innovation Zone plays a very critical role by allowing customers to validate, test, deploy AI solutions with confidence. By combining Intel's Xeon platforms for AI inference and HCL's deep engineering expertise, we are enabling enterprise to move from pilots to production faster.
The collaboration also includes joint labs, reference architectures, and ecosystem programs that help enterprises adopt emerging technologies faster and with lower risk. Ultimately, the goal is simple: help organizations unlock the full value of AI by combining optimized hardware, open software ecosystem, and enterprise-grade services. That is how the Intel technology value proposition merged with HCL's engineering capabilities drives joint value and outcome to our customers.